Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will continue to review for you an affordable drift car. Let's go over the features of this car. It has LED lights and a 2.4 GHz frequency. This car is recommended for children aged 8 and up. And here are the accessories inside the car. My car here is the red version. It also has a silver version and an orange version. This car is a 1/20 scale. All right, without further ado, I will now unbox it for you to see what's inside this car. Wow, first of all, I have to confirm with you, this car is very beautiful. Underneath the car's box, you will have a bunch of accessories as well as the remote control. A quick review of this remote control. The throttle has variable speed control. The steering wheel doesn't have a servo, it's just a normal steering motor. On the side, you will have an on divided by off button here, an additional button to control the LED lights, and there's also an LED to indicate power for the controller. As for the accessories, you will get a set of drift wheels. These are smooth wheels so you can drift. 4 traffic cones, a USB charger, 2 batteries for the remote control, a screwdriver, a sticker sheet, and the user manual. And this is everything you will receive when you buy this car. The body of this car is made of plastic, hard plastic, and the body is extremely beautiful. Glossy, you can see, extremely glossy, very beautiful. The details are made perfectly. This car has a 4WD configuration, 2-axle. As you can see, the wheels are also made with great detail. The tires are made of rubber. This is the rubber part that has a lot of grip. I'll show you how it grips. Regarding the steering, this car only uses normal motor-based steering. So here, it will have a lever for you to trim the steering to make it go straight. Below this is the switch. This car also has 8 underglow LEDs, divided into 4 LEDs for each side. Speaking of the lights, this car has headlight. The rear also has lights, but it doesn't have signal lights like turn signals. You can take a closer look at its exterior. Very beautiful and very glossy. This car does not have a suspension. With this car, the first time I turned it upside down, I found it very similar to a car I had reviewed before. And here, this blue car, its body is made of soft plastic, not hard plastic, and not as beautiful as the one I'm about to review. But in terms of the chassis of these two cars, they are almost similar to each other. You can see the underglow lights are also 8 LEDs, 2 LEDs on each side, but they will have different spacing. As for the logo and text printed here, the one on the left is laser engraved, while the one on the right is molded. And I think the chassis of the one on the right is much more well finished and sturdy. The headlights are also a very valuable part of this car. They look very beautiful. The paint is also the same, glossy. This is the car that I find the shiniest among the cars I have reviewed this year. It looks very beautiful, very shiny. It's missing a little something. If this car had some more decals, it would be much more beautiful. Now, I will install the battery in the remote control to see how this car runs. This car uses a 2.4 GHz frequency, so you can play with many cars at the same time without worrying about signal interference. I think the speed of this car is also quite fast. The steering, you can see, just normal steering, no servo, so this is fine. Another special thing is that this car has variable speed control. That means you can adjust the speed of the car through the throttle on the remote control. The cars that have variable speed control are much more fun and interesting to play with than those that don't. And this is the steering. As I said earlier, it only steers by motor, but it's still firm. The steering is firm, not soft. It's still good enough to play with. You can see here, when I push it, it's not too light to the point of losing control. All right, when I press this button, I will be able to control the lights. For the lights, you can only control the headlights and the underglow. As for the tail lights, they are always on. The tail lights have an effect, which is the brake light. When you reverse, this light will be brighter than usual. I think this will be the reverse light, not the brake light. All right, now I will use this device to check the speed of this car, to see how many kilometers per hour it can go. After checking the speed, the maximum speed this car can reach is 10 kilometers per hour. I will check it one more time. And this time, the speed is the same, 10 kilometers per hour. Now, I will replace the wheels with drift wheels for this car. Regarding the drifting ability of this car, it's at an average level. The steering is also at an average level. The good thing is the beautiful body. All the other features of this car, I rate as average. For those of you who buy it, take the body, upgrade it, it will be very okay. But if you want to use this car to drift proficiently, it's a bit poor. For those who want to buy this car, you can go to my shopping cart to see and buy it. These are the next videos that you can watch on my channel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to receive notifications from my latest videos.